Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Rove 30, which is actually a cordless IP phone from Poly. But first, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related tips, advice, and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when we release new content. So, before we do this unboxing and hop into this review, just a quick backstory for you guys. For those of you who watch the channel, you know that we have reviewed quite a bit of IP phones on this channel as well as cordless IP phones. But this is the first cordless IP phone that I've received in quite literally years from Poly. This phone here, the Poly VVX D230, is the only Poly cordless IP phone that we have in this studio up until now and that we've ever reviewed on the channel. But lo and behold, it sounds like things have changed because today we're going to review what is their new series of IP phones that are cordless, which is the Rove 30. And of course, as always, thank you to Poly for requesting us to do a review on this IP phone. And also huge thank you to our friends over at VOIP Supply for handling the shipping and logistics and getting this over to us in one piece. So let's see what we got in the box. Looks like you got your typical informational here. This looks like your actual Rove 30 here. This is your actual charging base. Got your actual wall adapter here, your AC plug for that. Digging deeper into our box, you've got the actual wireless base for the phone here, which I'm sure has its own model number. So model number Rove B2 is your cordless base. Looks like you got your Cat 5e cable, which looks like it's about 1 meter long. I thought it was a backup cable, but it's not. This is probably the wall mount adapter and the actual detachable cable for the actual base. And then this is some screws and whatnot to wall mount the base. So let's go ahead and line everything up so you guys can see the box contents at a glance. Okay, so you've got your actual Poly Rove 30 here. You've got the actual charging cradle here, and then you've got the power adapter for the charging cradle there. You've got your actual wireless base station here, and then you've got another power adapter here, along with a cable that goes with the wireless station. And then last but not least, you've got a Cat 5e cable that was included in the box. Now, one thing I want to point out really quick about these two different adapters, both of them say switching power supply, but if you look closely, one says that the output is 5.0 volts to 1000 milliamps, and then the other one says that it's 5.0 volts to 2000 milliamps. And there's a big difference between 1000 milliamps and 2000 milliamps. These adapters both look identical, but what I found was if you look on the back of the charging station and you look on the back of the base station, each of them will tell you what the milliamp output is so that you know that you're using the correct adapter when you plug this in. That is all of the box contents. So now let's go ahead and put this thing together and see what we got. Okay, so here is our Poly Rove 30 cordless IP phone all put together. First of all, I did confirm that the wireless base station here is PoE. Now, it did come with a cable, but before I plugged that cable in, I wanted to plug PoE into it to see if it actually powered up. And lo and behold, as you can see, it's powered up and it is connected and paired. The charging cradle I really like. This phone can't fall out of this cradle very easily. I can't tell you how many cordless phones I've reviewed on this channel that if you're moving around in your office and you just tap the phone to the side or tap your phone forward, it can easily fall out of the cradle. But I like the way that this has a cupped mechanism around the front of the phone to keep it inside of its cradle and keep it balanced. So I dig that. Another thing that I really like about this phone is this big screen. This is the biggest screened cordless IP phone that I have ever reviewed or ever received here in this office. And I really dig how big this screen is. I also like how it's kind of bubbly the way it is and it's rounded on the sides. I dig that. It's kind of next level and it's really sleek looking. So if we look at the actual buttons and whatnot on this, you've got your function keys here, of course. You've got your little navigational pad. You've got your speakerphone capability here. That's actually kind of nice because a lot of the other cordless phones that I've seen, if you want to put it on speaker, you've got to go into the menus, which is kind of cumbersome if you're on a call versus just hit a button. So that's kind of cool. I'm not sure what this L1, L2, L3 is. My guess is it's programmable keys, like maybe memory space. And I mean, you've got your regular numeric pad here like any other cordless IP phone and whatnot. You've got your lock key as well, and you've got like a mute, and then, you know, it's pretty straightforward. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the wireless base. First of all, it's small. As I mentioned before, and this is about the only real interfaces you're going to have here. It's got a place where you can put like an actual AC adapter, which did come into the box in it. And then it's got a Ethernet port, which you can use for PoE. It doesn't have a pass-through, but I don't ever really usually see pass-throughs on cordless phone bases anyways. That's kind of unusual, but it actually is tiny compared to most cordless IP phone bases that I've seen. So if you're looking for something that's kind of out of sight, out of mind, this is probably it for you. Now, I wanted to point out a couple of things for you guys on the actual handset itself. If you flip it over, you've got the Poly logo, which looks real nice. It's got a little belt clip here, which is much bigger than the belt clip on most cordless IP phones that I reviewed recently. Most of them are about half the length of this, but this one looks like you could really kind of fit it, slot this down into a pocket, or slot this completely over a belt if you're wanting it to not go anywhere. You got your typical volume up and down keys here. You've got an actual mute key here. Yeah, it looks like it's an 8mm headset jack there. So for those of you who want to put a headset on there or whatever, I mean, knock yourself out. Also, last but not least, you've got an actual lock here. There's obviously a battery behind this, but if you lock this, it means that if you drop this, chances are this won't come off very easily or at all. One other quick thing I wanted to point out for you guys, if you look on here, it says protected by Microbran. Basically, this means that this phone, all of the material is antibacterial. So Poly has a partnership with Microbran to basically create antibacterial products. This is something that they have invested a lot of money in to be able to ensure that the products that you use from Poly are very clean and of an antibacterial status. Okay, so jumping into our technical specifications, the Poly Rove 30 cordless IP phone is a ruggedized IP65 rated handset. It sports a 2.4-inch TFT colored LCD with backlight display. That display is 240 by 320 pixels resolution. It supports headset connectivity with a dedicated headset port. It also supports Poly's signature HD voice and noise suppression, and it also can handle full duplex conversations. The phone also has acoustic echo cancellation and advanced background noise suppression. This phone also boasts that it has a very long talk time because it has a 1100 milliamp replaceable and rechargeable lithium ion battery. That's actually pretty impressive where everybody else is doing lithium polymer or something else. This thing actually uses lithium ion, and I want to also repeat, it is replaceable. Whereas, as you guys know, with a lot of cordless devices such as cell phones, batteries aren't really replaceable like they used to be back in the day, but that's not the case with the Poly Rove 30. As I already stated, this uses wireless DECT technology, and the base is actually called the Poly Rove B2 DECT base station. Conversations are claimed to be secure with the latest standards in DECT wireless security. This phone also includes a belt clip to ensure that the handset is securely fastened to whatever you wish. Features of the Poly Rove 30 cordless IP phone include, but are not limited to, multiple line support up to 20 lines per handset. That's pretty whopper. Up to 2 call appearances, shared call and bridge line appearance, distinctive incoming call treatment, call waiting, call timer, call transfer and pickup, call resume, call part connected information, local or network-based 3-way conferencing, one-touch speed dial, redial, missed call notifications, do not disturb, intercom, enhanced call park, caller ID enable or disable, call forward on busy or on no answer, message waiting indicator, vibrate mode, 10 alarm profiles, call progress tone generation, daylight savings time support worldwide, 20 distinctive ringtones, and also says that it is water resistant up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters underwater. So let's jump into what I think about this phone, pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Well, first and foremost, the Microbran technology is great. This means that there's no need to constantly wipe down the phone or sanitize the phone because it's made with materials and a specific coating from Microbran that supposedly keeps this thing down to as antibacterial as possible. The other thing that I think is a huge pro about this phone is the fact that it is drop proof dustproof and also waterproof. So that's pretty cool. The long battery life is also a big plus as well. And I did notice online that people were saying that it seemed like the battery lasts forever. And also the fact that the battery is replaceable is a huge pro as well. Easy to use interface. I looked at a lot of reviews online and people are saying that it's a super user-friendly phone and easy to use. So that's a pro. And then it also offers mobility. So mobility and hands-free capability in the workforce is always good, where people are always moving around in the office. So what are my cons? I only have one. This particular phone does not support Bluetooth support. I wouldn't say that it's a huge big deal because I don't ever really feel the need to have a headset connected to my cordless, but you've got the 8mm headset jack, which is kind of its saving grace. For those of you who are wondering, this phone goes for about $239 just for the handset, and I think you're looking at closer between $500 for the actual handset that you see here, and then also the wireless base here, which I showcased in this video as well. Don't worry, as always, you guys know I'll have links below this video where you can find it in a couple of places and see what it costs. Hosted voice over IP phone service providers that we believe can provision with this phone that we actually also represent would be Nextiva, RingCentral, Dialpad, and Vonage. In closing thoughts, I think it's a great IP phone. I like the build. I love the way it feels. It's a very high quality kind of plastic rubber to where you can hold on to it well, and dropping it if you've got a grip on it is gonna be slim to none. It's got great features. It's got an extensive feature list. I like the fact that it's ruggedized. And I also like the fact that it's got a much bigger screen than any cordless IP phone that I've personally laid hands on that's come into this office in quite some time. The price point seems about right for a cordless IP phone of this caliber. So again, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, go ahead and hit that like button. We really appreciate the support. And don't forget, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related tips, advice, and videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even help save you a little money along the way in your search for service or hardware. So hit that subscribe button so that when we release new content, you're notified. As always, this is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. And I'll catch you guys again in the next video.